Alright, so today we would like to address just the organic versus just the regular things that you can get in the store. We know that we've talked a lot about organics to some of you. We're really pro-organic. And just to make the reasons why a little bit more clear, we just wanted to do some comparisons of some foods. We don't want you to think that because it's organic, that gives you the free ticket to be able to eat however much of it you want, because that is not the case. Organic simply means that it's made out of ingredients that you are more able to read and that your body is able to process more naturally, and it's not any of the man-made stuff. So, for instance, we have these Midel Honey Grams. Now, as far as the calorie count, you get 4 crackers, and the calorie count is 140, which is typical.
That's exactly the same.
Yeah, as Keebler that you could get in the store. Now the difference is that this is made with whole wheat flour, honey, unsulfured molasses, soybean oil, leavening. So we have no high fructose corn syrup in there. Not 4 different kinds of sugars. So this is better in the respect because of the ingredients. However, the calorie count is the same. Then we have some pretzels. Now, neither one of these are organic, but one is considered whole grain, and the other one is just a regular pretzel that you can buy. Now, in the ones that are whole grain, we have whole grain wheat flour, and then the added thing that you can get is some dietary fiber, which is 4 grams. Now, the calorie count is virtually the same. You can have 7 pretzels for 110 calories in the whole grain ones, and you can have
17.
Oh.
So the grams are the grams the same? One's 30 grams and one's
and one's 28 grams.
So
it's basically the exact same amount of pretzels. They're going, by weight instead of count. So you're still getting 110 calories for virtually the same amount of pretzels, and in this one you're only getting 1 gram of fiber. So between the two, the better choice would be the whole grain, because at least you're adding more fiber that's going to help fill you up. So you still need the label read.
So we'll look at the ingredients in the 2 different chocolate bars. In the organic chocolate bar, you can read what's on it. It has 5 ingredients, less than 5. It has cocoa beans, sugar, cocoa butter, and ground vanilla beans. In the Hershey's bar, it has semi-sweet chocolate, which is chocolate, sugar, cocoa, milk, fat, cocoa butter, soy lecithin, natural vanilla flavors. They have about the same amount of calories. One bar is a little bit bigger than the other, so the serving size is half the bar. For this, the organic one, it's 210 calories for half the bar. And for this Hershey's bar, it's 230 calories for half the bar. So chocolate really, you want to try and get the organic chocolate when you can, just because you want to go with pure foods that don't have a lot of things that you can't pronounce in them. Another example is tomato soup. Here's a Campbell's tomato soup, and here is a Trader Joe's. They both have about the same amount of calories per serving. This one has a little less. It's 60 calories for a cup, and this one's 90 calories for a cup. There's a big difference in what the ingredients are and what's in it exactly. In the Campbell's soup, there's tomato paste, high fructose corn syrup, our favorite.
Yeah.
Wheat flour, water, salt, potassium chloride, and different flavorings, and then some other things that I can't pronounce. And in the Trader Joe's, there's water, filtered water, tomatoes, tomato paste, vegetable juice blend, sea salt, and potassium citrate and ascorbic acid. So all those things I can pretty much recognize. I know what they are. Some of this stuff I'm not exactly sure. And finally, we have one more other item that is falafel chips, which you can get at Raisin Rack. The point I wanted to make about these is these are better than chips if you're going to have chips, because they don't have any of those ingredients that we've talked about before that are so long you can't spell. But it makes a lot of claims on the front. It says no wheat, no dairy, no lactose, no trans fat, no cholesterol, and on and on. But you still have to watch the calories and the fat, because for 11 chips, it's 118 calories, and it's 54 calories of fat. It's 6 grams of fat. So you still have fat in these, and it's the same thing with potato chips and tortilla chips, all the other kind of chips. Even if they're organic or not, they're still a potato chip, and they still have fat and calories in them. So if you're going to have potato chips, it would be better that you have organic ones, but you still need to watch your portion sizes and, you know, pay attention to what it is and how much food that you're putting in your mouth.
Ba-da-ba-da.